What's going on YouTube? I got a lot of things to go over in this video, so we're gonna go ahead and get into all of it. Alright, so if you didn't watch yesterday's video, I got a 5.3 now out of a 2002 Silverado. I got this motor yesterday. I paid $600 for it. It has the original wiring harness with everything still connected. Even has the ECU, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna need. Has a fan, water pump, still has a throttle body, all of that stuff. It has everything except the alternator. And I believe it's missing something else. I believe it's just the alternator that's missing. I'm seeing everything else down here. So, yeah. You can see it is dirty, but I mean, it doesn't look bad to me. It has a 706 heads. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah, it has a 706 head, so we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna go through those. It even has the manifolds, which is huge. So pretty much, the reason I said all of that was to say that this is a great motor and it's leaking some oil. We need to fix that. So the reason I chose a 5.3 over pretty much any other LS is because it's the cheapest option, number one. For what I'm trying to do, it's the best option. So 5.3 is the best of both worlds. 4.8, you know, it's smaller displacement, so it makes less power, even with a cam and stuff. But 5.3, you know, if I just go to cam only, and some headers, I mean, I'll be making 350, 400 wheel, and somewhere in between there, just by rebuilding it and cam only with headers. So that would be great. And another reason I chose it is because 5.3s can hold a lot of boost. So can the 6.0s and 4.8s, but the 5.3s are most commonly available. And with that being said, the aftermarket for the 5.3, you know, just the amount of parts available is huge. They have everything on earth available for these motors. I'm gonna head up to Harbor Freight. I gotta get an oil mat immediately and an engine stand, and we're gonna throw that together in this video. And we may even start breaking the Tahoe down. We'll see. I set the Tahoe. We may even start breaking the 5.3 down for the Infinity. Y'all will see if I did, and y'all will see the new engine stand and whatever else that I get. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna get right to it. All right, so let's get this box open and see what we got. I know these are wire cutters, but they'll do the job. Sometimes the tools can be used for anything other than what you expect them to be. Let's see what we got. Alright, so this is what we got. Instructions, yeah. I'm not looking forward to looking at these. It's probably not gonna make any sense. Alright. Put that over here. Okay, this can't be difficult to put together, but I've spoken to him plenty of times in my life and been wrong. Okay, no, I can't even get this in one hand. Alright, let me put this down. Alright, so we got all of it out over here and here. And yeah, so in typical Harbor Freight fashion, it's already peeling right here on the corner. Brand new. And on that one too, but it's all good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this together. I'm not gonna give a tutorial on that because I don't want to get to this today. That's the focus. So
we're gonna get started on this, and then we'll get to that. So let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, it's now dark, and the stand is built, but the engine is not on the stand. So let me explain. I didn't record any of the stand being built, but the problem I was having was that there are two head bolts. There are engine stand bolts, and this one, you know, every engine stand bolt is different, but pretty much I had to figure out what bolts fit in these right here where the engine stand will go. And yeah, that took a while. I had to find two of the perfect size bolts. So what I did is, out of all the bolts, I found the two idler pulley bolts fit. So what I did was I took those, and I first went to O'Reilly and bought some. They were too short, and I took those back. They didn't have any idler pulley bolts, so I had to take the idler pulley bolt. And I went to Home Depot and I got two of these galvanized steel bolts, which I wanted something that was strong. So these should work to hold the engine up. I just bought two. I'm gonna use two of the idler pulley bolts, and that should hopefully work for the engine stand to bolt up. So I know I didn't get to breaking anything down, but for today we're just gonna get the engine on the stand because it's been a long day. Alright people, I've got myself in a bit of a sticky situation. Let's just say the fitment of the jack and the stand, or the engine stand and the hoist is very, very, very bad from Harbor Freight. But I'm here by myself, and pretty much what I'm gonna have to do is push against the motor and stand while lowering it without killing myself. So y'all pray for me, and if I don't make it, it's been a great run on YouTube. So let's see what happens. Alright, let's let it all the way down now. Well, I guess you can say all the weight is on the engine stand. Somehow we got this to work, but man, I guess my little rig is gonna hold up. This was crazy, but we did it. So we got it on here, man. It went, oh man, I don't know how I did this. So first time putting the engine on the stand. It was pretty tough, but see these rig bolts, I hope I didn't strip anything. I really hope to God I didn't strip these bolts in this block. But as I saw, I probably ruined it, but hey, it is currently almost 11 o'clock. I started on this project about 3 or 4 o'clock, so been doing this for 6-7 hours. Just looking for bolts and BSing. That's just part of it, man. I went to work this morning and I started on this, but tomorrow's video, for sure tomorrow's video now, we're gonna be breaking this block down and we're gonna be doing a lot of things as far as taking the harness off and all of that. I wanted to get into it in today's video, but we didn't get to it. But we got a lot of stuff to take off and we got a lot of looking to do. But now I'm gonna go ahead and move this block back and we'll be all set. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe for LS swap on the Infinity, and subscribe for Tahoe content, and that's gonna be it. So hope y'all enjoyed, but as always, y'all take it easy, and I will catch y'all on the next video.